Man at the gym asked me how my hair looks so good at 9 a.m. and I said, sir, it's an overnight sock blowout. So here's how I do it. This is day 4 hair, so I'm going to dry shampoo first. I'm then going to section out the front, like a third of my hair. I have a lot of hair. Brush it forward. Then I'm taking those 2 rods in a clean sock, wrapping my hair around it, and then twisting the rod towards my face. The rods are bendy, so you'll just bend away from your face. At the end of this video, I show you how to make sure that it stays in place all night. For the back section of your hair, I'm using 3 rods in a sock, brushing my hair up. We want to really pull up to help with volume. Again, you're wrapping the hair around the sock and you're pulling the hair towards your face, curling all the way down towards your face, and then you'll bend those rods back away from your face. I hope that makes sense. Now watch this part closely. One end of the sock has an opening, so I like to wrap that around the other end and it helps it stay in place. And then we're going to take a nice little bonnet, wrap it around our head, but you need to tuck in those pieces so that it's nice and sturdy, like your hair's not flopping around inside the bonnet. And then go to sleep.